Hey guys, I'm going to do something new. I've never done this on TikTok before, but I'm going to document the next costume that I'm going to build. Now, this guy up here, that was my first costume that I built. This guy did not have as much detail, and the little mouth never actually came out and moved, so I switched it up and made this guy. And you've seen some of the TikTok videos with this guy. Super cool, great detail. The mouth comes out, drools, slime, all kinds of cool stuff. So that alien costume was so much fun, I decided to do another one. I'm going to cue the background music here and show you just a little bit of what's going on next with my next project. It's going to be originally only for the TikTok. I'll put some of it on YouTube later on, but here we go. Got some servos here, Raspberry Pi. I'm having a nightmare because I've never done anything like this. Just continuous mistakes. But what costume is not totally cool without having its own background sound effects here, background track. Gonna try wearing stilts. I'll probably fall many times. It'll be funny. So, but there we go. So you probably know what it is. But let's see what happens as I will add as I can. As I work on this project, I'll show you what's going on and update you. And we'll see if it comes together. I have a lot of doubts. It's going to be very difficult. I don't have a clue on what I'm going to do with the skin or how that's going to even come together. So lots of mistakes coming up. See you soon.